The path to a 30-day skin transformation is built on a series of coordinated metabolic and topical steps that begin within this specific 24-hour cycle. Today's protocol is structured into 4 mandatory phases: morning hydration, precise nutritional intake, cortisol regulation, and nocturnal barrier repair. To execute this correctly, you will need a physical inventory of a few specific items. Gather fresh produce like ash gourd, alongside basic topical elements, specifically pure aloe vera and vitamin E. But before you touch a single ingredient, you must accept a psychological prerequisite. Starting right now, there is a total ban on negative self-talk regarding your current skin condition. Following these strict physical and mental parameters over the next 24 hours establishes the baseline required to carry you through the remaining 29 days. Your first action of the day happens on an empty stomach. Drink a glass of fresh ash gourd juice to initiate internal detoxification. If you cannot source ash gourd, substitute it directly with bottle gourd juice or plain coconut water. Immediately following that, we move to a 3-step topical routine. Wash with a mild cleanser, apply moisturizer to lock hydration, finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Throughout the day, verify your internal hydration levels using a simple biological test: your urine color. Aim for a pale yellow or clear output to confirm you have consumed enough fluids. By combining optimal internal fluid volume with a topical morning shield, you create a dual-layer defense against daily environmental cellular damage. Topical treatments are limited by the body's internal resources. You must provide the amino acids and vitamins required for the body to synthesize new skin cells from the inside out. To accomplish this, follow the super healthy menu sequence for day 1: sprouted mung dal for breakfast, vegetable khichdi for lunch, palak paneer for dinner. If that sequence is too restrictive, you can use the day 1 fallback menu: poha with sprouts for breakfast, vegetable biryani for lunch, tofu curry for dinner. Regardless of your menu choice, you must ingest dense plant-based fiber. This clears toxins through their digestive tract before they manifest on your skin. Finally, you have a strict metabolic timing rule: consume your dinner before sunset. This ensures your food digests completely before you sleep, which helps prevent the excess fat storage linked to hormonally driven acne breakouts. This chart illustrates the relationship between high stress and skin health. A cortisol spike immediately reduces cellular collagen production. To arrest this, complete a 15-minute protocol: 10 minutes of breathing yoga, then 5 minutes of meditation, forcing cortisol back to baseline. For the breathing reset, adopt these specific physical postures. Maintain controlled, rhythmic breathing to signal your nervous system to begin the repair process. Lowering your cortisol level is a requirement for maintaining skin elasticity. Without this reset, high stress levels will continue to break down the very collagen your diet and skincare are working to build. As you prepare for sleep, you must thoroughly cleanse your skin. This step removes the day's accumulation of sebum, airborne pollution, and your morning layer of sunscreen. Next, you will formulate the nighttime repair mask. Create a base using pure aloe vera and mix in a small amount of vitamin E. The critical failure point for this mixture is the lemon juice. You must use only a single, precise drop. Applying too much of this acidic liquid will severely compromise your skin barrier. This exact minimal acid formulation leverages your body's nocturnal repair cycle, brightening the skin without destroying your delicate acid mantle overnight. By following these exact steps, you have successfully completed day 1 of the challenge. Within the last 24 hours, you have addressed the primary drivers of skin quality. You have maximized cellular hydration, delivered targeted nutrients, managed stress hormones, and initiated barrier repair. To maintain this momentum, set up a public accountability mechanism. Create a dedicated social media account to document your daily routine, so you can track your visual progress over the next 30 days. Radiant skin is not the result of a miracle product. It is the result of the mechanical consistency required to repeat this exact protocol again tomorrow.